at number 129.
You remember when you have to stay after school? Right on the board, 100 times. I ain't doing my homework, I ain't doing my lessons. Give it up, give it up. House in order. House in order. Yesterday I found an earring. You know damn well it wasn't mine. This morning I found a hair in your sink. The long stringy kind. Pardon me for misleading, but my papa don't raise no fool. And if you don't want to fail your lesson, you better stay after school. I think you better get your house in order, get your shoes on straight. Your tears can run like water. I think you better get your house in order and get your shoes on straight. Your tears can run